two are here, you are obviously way smarter than everybody else around you, and you have figured out that passive income is the best and only way you can truly be free to do the things that you want to do. Free to wake up when you want, free to go wherever you want, free to spend time with your family, free to buy whatever you want, free to literally do whatever you want to do. Because when you have passive income, the world turns into your very own playground. I'm Annie, and that's what my channel is about, finding real ways to make real passive income online, starting from the ground up. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button to help my small channel grow, and stick around to the end of this video to find out what the best ways to make passive income online in 2024 are. Let's get right into this one today. So I'm not gonna give you a ranking for number 5 to number 1, like this is the 5th best thing and this is the 1st best thing, because why does anybody do that? I don't need to know what the 5th and 4th and 3rd best things are. I wanna know what the top thing is. So I'm giving you my top 2, but they're both number 1. So they're both the best in 2 completely different making money online subcategories. And I currently use both of them to make passive income online every day. Try one of them or both of them or none of them, but they are my favorite, and I don't have a business degree or a marketing degree. I don't have rich parents. I don't have a finance degree. I never used to work at a huge company. I literally learned everything I know just from listening to other people and from Googling the rest. I'm not a guru, I'm just a real person who was trying to find a legit way to make money online, and I just kept getting scammed, and I just kept wishing that there was some person that I could listen to who would tell me the best way to make passive income online and how they did it. Somebody who didn't used to work at, a finance or a marketing place for 25 years before they quit their job, and they already knew pretty much how to do all of it. My background is in dental, okay? So I went to dental hygiene school, so I had no idea how to make money online when I started. And I just wanted somebody who was just like me and did nothing to do with marketing or making money online at first, and who had learned and built their way up and found the best courses and classes to teach them how to do that, and who was gonna tell me the truth about which ones were the best. And I just couldn't find that person. So I decided to become that person because I had taken so many courses and classes and tried so many different businesses online that eventually I was just like, okay, I should be that person for other people. So here we go. Here's the first one out of 2. This is the program that I started with that got me making money online. It's called Automated Profit Partner System. And what it is it's a complete high ticket affiliate marketing tutorial and exclusive affiliate program that teaches you how to do high ticket affiliate marketing through the use of webinars. Webinars are the number 1 way to get information to people online in 2024, especially after COVID. Everyone was learning how to use Zoom and watching webinars to get the information they needed. So they are the number 1 way people learn online. They're the number 1 way people share knowledge online, and they are the number 1 way people sell their knowledge online. So if you're somebody who has seen a webinar, you know what I'm talking about. So it's a high ticket affiliate marketing training system showing you how to use webinars, which is something that nobody else is doing that I have seen. The other amazing thing about this system that literally no other program can say is that it's not just an affiliate marketing course like so many others out there. It's also way more than that. It's a membership into an exclusive high ticket affiliate program. And the reason why I bought it being a high ticket affiliate marketer is because it gains you access to their list of 19 different high quality, high ticket educational products that you can promote and sell yourself as an affiliate marketer. In every other instance, you have to buy an affiliate marketing course, and then you usually only get taught how to sell and promote that one course that you just bought. Like, buy this and then get other people to buy it too. So you buy it and then learn how to sell it to others. Then if you want to learn about other products and courses to sell and promote, you have to go buy them and go through those courses separately. So this affiliate training and program that you purchase once, and you get access to 19 different educational products and courses to learn from and to promote or sell if you want to. So literally you get 19 for the price of 1. On top of that, with my link, you will get an entire 2nd account. So you can do this with someone else, a coworker, a friend, a family member, which to me is really priceless when you think about it. Having someone else to do this with you, where you can keep each other accountable and make it work together. No other program that I've seen is offering that. So on top of getting the 19 different products, the affiliate marketing course showing you how to do this, access to the affiliate program, you also get an entire 2nd account. So their exclusive high ticket affiliate marketing program is the best one that I have ever seen. And I say exclusive not to be clickbaity, but because you can actually only gain access to their products if you are an apps member. So it's extremely unsaturated. You also earn 50% commissions on their products, which is amazing. For comparison, Amazon only gives you 10%, and all of their products are $500 to $2,000. So your commissions are always anywhere from $250 to $1,000 commissions every single time. That in itself is already worth the price of this program to join, I think, because you can literally make your money back with one sale. But then you also get done for you emails, you get access to 19 different products, the webinars, you get done for you quiz funnels, support, training. I mean, it's so much content and value provided. Okay, so if you're a little bit new to this, what exactly is high ticket affiliate marketing? Put very simply, affiliate marketing means that you sell other people's products for them and you receive a commission, meaning you do not have to create your own product or design a label or a website or deal with customer service or refunds or clients at all. You're simply the middleman. You sign up for an affiliate program with somebody who's already got products. You get your custom link from that program and you place your affiliate link on a Facebook post or a blog post or in a video description on YouTube or in an article or on a TikTok video or an Instagram post, etc., etc. And every time someone clicks on that link, your link, and purchases something, you get paid a commission. So like I said, Amazon has an affiliate program where you sign up, get your link, and every time somebody buys something off Amazon using your link, you get a commission, but theirs is 10%. Maybe even less now as I record this. And it's pretty hard to sell very high ticket items on Amazon, such as something that's like $2,000 that would get you a commission of $200 at 10%. But a good high ticket affiliate program will pay you 50%. So if you can find a high ticket item that is $2,000 to promote, you will receive a $1,000 commission rather than, a $2 commission, which is like what most people get from Amazon. So who was it created by and can you trust them? Ron Douglas, he's a legit dude that built his business from the ground up. He doesn't fill you with fluff and hype. He tells you exactly what he did to build his business up, the way to make passive income every single month. And he even helped his wife do the same thing. He gives you the exact same steps that he's still using today. And he does weekly webinars where he just talks to you live, person to person. And he's just a really legit, down to earth dude. I email with him all the time, back and forth about different things. He's easy to talk to. He's been online marketing for over a decade. He's a legit dude. I definitely trust him. So what's different about it than every other course that you have seen advertised online? This training is all about using webinars to create passive income. And these are not webinars that you have to create or put on yourself. These are all done for you webinars. They're created by high quality people and they are providing valuable education for making money online. They are extremely easy to promote because they are legit and they provide a ton of value and education online, which is a huge market and growing every single year. So you can have integrity promoting them to other people and know that this is an evergreen market that will continue to grow and provide value to people for years to come, which for me is key. If you start selling or promoting something that you don't believe in or that you wouldn't sell to your friend or grandma, you're not gonna be successful. You might be for a little while, sure, you might make a few bucks, but it's not gonna last and you aren't gonna feel good about it. Any successful business person in the world is successful because they are providing real value and giving more than they are taking. Remember that. So who is this program good for? People who don't have a whole lot of extra time on their hands and who want an easy way to start a passive income business online without having to be technical, without having to create their own product, without having to create their own website, without having to design their own logos and labels, without having to deal with customer service, complaints, or refunds. You don't have to deal with any of that. So it's for somebody who wants to be behind the scenes. It's also good for beginner affiliate marketers who need a real way to make money with affiliate marketing. And it's also good for advanced affiliate marketers who haven't really been able to get enough traffic and enough money to actually be profitable with affiliate marketing. So who would this not be good for? If you are the type of person that doesn't want to have to put any work at all, this is not going to be good for you because you do have to put some work in the beginning. And I'll give you a hint, if you find a course that tells you don't have to do anything and you're still gonna make a whole bunch of money, it's not real. Okay, so what's the cost? Normally, the cost of this program without my link is $2,497, which sounds like a ton of money, especially if you're online trying to find a way to make money. You probably don't already just have like $2,500 sitting around. But in comparison to a lot of the mentorships and online programs out there teaching you how to build your own business online, and in comparison to like college tuition for a few classes that don't even really get you a guaranteed way to make money, it's pretty reasonable. So you kind of have to put it in perspective. Also, normally without my link, they charge a couple different monthly fees for all the support and the software and the help that you get. With my link, because I'm one of the top affiliates, you get $1,500 off of the original price and they will waive the monthly fees as well. So it's literally an insane discount and you get a whole second account for free. To get that discount, you have to use my link, which is linked in the description and webinars below. So with my link, it's $9.97, it's yours forever, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. So if you want to send it back and get your refund after 30 days, you can do it for any reason. It is a pretty big investment for a lot of people, but it's a very, very reasonable price to be able to start your own complete online business and start making passive income. Plus, I bet it costs less than the last iPhone that you bought. Plus, it's way more affordable than so many other courses and programs out there. For example, I don't know if you guys have seen Lucas Lee Tyson's Growth Cave, like showing you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. That course is like $3,000 to $5,000 and there's no discounts and no refunds. I mean, there's tons of courses out there that are showing you how to build a business too, but most of them with this much content and value are $3,000 to $5,000. So this one is insane because not only do you get the $1,500 off, not only do you get the monthly fees waived, but you also get a second account for $9.97. So, but I do understand that it's an investment for a lot of people. So if you can't afford it, you can't afford it, and that's it. The second one I'm gonna review is about half the price. So hang on until the rest of this video if that feels like too much for you. Okay, so my final thoughts on apps, automated profit partner system. The only cost that you need to know is upfront. So there's no hidden fees. So if you can't afford $9.97, you already know you can't afford it, and that's it. There's not gonna be like, oh, it's only $20, and then once you get there, it's gonna be a whole bunch more money. There's no upsells, one price, one time. It's a complete affiliate marketing system showing you how to use webinars, which less than 1% of affiliate marketers do. So it's really unsaturated, and it's the only program that I have seen that teaches this. It's also an affiliate program, an exclusive affiliate program with 19 different educational products to promote and learn from. So it's kind of like getting 19 for the price of one, plus you get an entire second account for free so you can do it with someone else. No one is using this method, so it's not oversaturated. And if you want to check this program out further, I'm going to link it in the description and the comments below. You can watch the entire webinar to get a full tutorial on what this program is about and what's included, linked in the description below. It's the same exact course that I took to start my passive income online business, and I have a pretty close, good relationship with the creators. So if you have any questions for me about this program at all, just comment below. Okay, I'm gonna move right into the second way to make passive income online in 2024. This one is not second best, it's just a completely different way to make money online, and it's a little bit less expensive, about half the price of the other one with my link. And what's different about this one is that it's the most fun way I have ever seen to make money online. There's a lot of courses and trainings out there teaching you a business. Most of them are teaching you marketing or coding, but this one is the only one that I've seen that is legitimately like a good time. So it happens to be one of the educational products, like classes, courses, on the list of 19 different products under the apps program. Like I said before, there are 19 different educational products, and this is the only one from that affiliate program that I choose to promote besides apps because it's my favorite and I'm passionate about it and it's fun. And like I said earlier, you have to feel good about what you're selling. So I decided to go through this one for myself because it looked so fun. And after I went through the training, I knew this was the only other one that I wanted to promote. And it's called Amazon Children's Book Publishing Formula. And it is a complete training program teaching you how to research, write, and publish a best-selling children's book to Amazon to generate income within the next 48 hours. So who is it created by, and can you trust them? Jay Boyer is a top 500 Amazon author, and he started this business with his 10-year-old son. He has scored over a dozen #1 best-selling children's books on Amazon with this formula, and he currently generates 7 figures per year online with his son. So the difference about this one from every other Make Money Online course is that it's fun. You're actually doing something fun, and if people buy it and you make money, you're just making passive income doing something that's fun to do. And you can do it with your kids or your spouse or your entire family if you want to, which I just love. I love that he did this with his 10-year-old son, and he shows you his best-selling and most profitable children's book niche in this course. He also shares with you his 3 secrets to publishing a top-selling children's book on Amazon. He teaches you how to come up with a best-selling idea within 3 minutes, even if you've never done anything like this in your entire life. And he teaches you how to publish and launch your children's book quickly and easily and send it to the Amazon bestseller list within 48 hours. So who is this good for? I think that this would really be good for parents wanting to teach their kids something to do with like making money online or how to build a business. It's an activity that you can learn and do together and teach your kids about business with and possibly make a ton of money from. Like you could end up helping your kid create their own college fund or their own career as a children's book writer. It's also good for anybody that just wants to spend more time with their family while making passive income. It's good for anyone looking for a fun and easy way to make money from home without having to do like marketing or selling or all the normal other things that you could do to make money online. And who would this not be good for? I guess really the only person I could think this wouldn't be good for is if you don't like kids, you probably shouldn't be writing kids books. Okay, so what does it cost? It's $4.97 with my link, normally $9.97. But with my link, it's $4.97, and I will link it in the description below. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, and again, extremely affordable for the amount of content and value that you get in order to build a passive income online business for yourself or with your kids and your family. $4.97 one time, no upsells or monthly fees. So here's my final thoughts on this one. Just kind of wrap it all up for you again. This is actually a fun way to make passive income online. The creator doesn't fill you with a whole bunch of fluff and hype. He just gives it to you straight. He did this with his son. He shows you how to do exactly what he did. Children's books are an evergreen market. Kids' books will always be in demand. They will never go off trend or be out of style. So you can do this forever. It's really easily scaled because you can just make a book series or just keep making books about millions of different topics. And it's very affordable compared to any other Amazon publishing business that I've seen. They usually go for around $2,000 to $3,000, and the training systems and software in this is all included in one price. There's no secret upsells or fees or anything like that. And I do have a couple testimonials here from some of the students who have done it and been successful. So one student said, I started writing my first kid's book 5 minutes after watching the webinar. It took me 2 hours to complete. So that's crazy fast, and you can see how easy that is. Here's another one. I now know it's possible to build residual income from Amazon publishing without wasting time or money. I've already written my first children's book this weekend. I'm so excited. And here's one more. It's a pair of girls who did it together. We have published over 40 books on Amazon and are making up to $10,000 per month. You taught us how to do it. So that's pretty awesome. There are people who are doing this and making money, successful with it. It's easy. You do not have to have tech skills. You can literally start right now. And I will link the webinar in the description below so that you can watch the whole thing and get an idea of everything that's included and how it works. And I really hope that you enjoyed my top 2 ways to make passive income online for 2024. And I hope that you choose today to go get free.